Every winning stroke starts long before it hits the green. It begins here, where precision meets passion. The pursuit of the perfect putter isn't new. For decades, craftsmen have chased balanced feels, feel, and control, evolving from hand-shaped tools to precision-milled performance. It all starts with aerospace-grade stainless steel or aluminum. From there, every curve, hosel, shape, and balance point is digitally modeled and engineered for peak performance. CNC machining process. Using 5-axis CNC machining, we sculpt the putter head with micron-level precision, delivering tight tolerances, flawless alignment, and refined contours that feel just right. Each head is finished to match your brand and taste, brushed, matte, or plated, with your logo laser engraved and every detail polished to perfection. Assembly and precision balancing. But a putter is more than just metal. It's a balance of weight, geometry, and feel. Even the slightest change in loft or lie angle affects how it rolls. That's why every putter is calibrated to your exact lie angle and swing preference, perfectly balanced and tuned before it leaves our hands. At Yijin Solution, we offer complete OEM and ODM golf putter manufacturing, from CNC precision machining to surface finishing and logo customization. Whether you need weight adjustments, coating choices, or your own brand engraved, our team ensures high consistency, scalable production, and delivery you can trust. From our factory floor to your fingertips, this is more than a putter. It's confidence, consistency, and control engineered for every stroke. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.